Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a Ram RHO. We've installed the M&R reverse kit. I want to show you exactly how it compares versus the factory reverse that the truck is equipped with. So let's go ahead and put it in reverse. These are the factory reverse. And let's go ahead and turn on the M&R. Wow, lights up everything around you. Turn it off. Turn it on. You guys are going to absolutely love the power of this light kit, and it becomes fairly useful. So this light kit is in a flood pattern, so it does have a very wide angle, and you definitely get plenty of distance with it. We connected this reverse light kit to auxiliary switches, so it's independent to the factory wiring, and we can turn it on and off whether the truck is in reverse or not. And I want to show you exactly how it looks like on the display. So here's the reverse, and I'm going to turn on the fog light kit. So everything becomes brighter. You can see more further, and it's much safer backing up. You guys are going to absolutely love this product, and it's super easy to install. Make sure to follow our full install video.